Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Cardano again and how it's breaking out of its short-term pattern that it was in. It is confirming, like we always say guys, the old resistance as new support. So let's take a look at the video. If you guys enjoy Bitcoin videos, crypto videos, make sure you smack that subscribe button down below and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to see what you guys think about my videos. So let's jump on right into the video. Jumping right on in to the Cardano chart here, guys. This is kind of the long-term support line that we have bounced off of multiple times. Not just once, not just twice, not just 3 times, not just 4 times, and not just 5 times. Well, yeah, just 5 times actually. But this is the long-term support line that we have bounced off of here, 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 and here. We just keep bouncing off the support line until this breaks. I don't see Cardano going lower than the support line, guys. As you can see in more the short-term time frame, we were in this falling, broadening wedge, which tends to be a very bullish pattern. We actually broke out of it here. If we zoom in, we broke out of it and then we came down and tested it as support. What do we always say, guys? It is a very bullish sign when we break out of a pattern and test the old resistance as new support. Do it, guys. Old resistance, new support. And Cardano is doing it just like most cryptos are doing right now in this bullish market that we're in. This is a very bullish sign. I see once we kind of break out this, the target was the top of the descending broadening wedge, which is about the 90-cent level, around there, right about that, about 0.089 or the 0.09, 9 cent, not 90 cents, guys, 9 cent level. If we can get up and break that, which is usually what happens with these type of patterns, we tend to break up past the old resistance. We don't really have much resistance, up until about almost 10 cents. So that's almost a 10% return if we can, confirm the breakout of this descending broadening wedge. Very bullish pattern that happened here. We came up, we broke out of it, and then we tested it down as support line here, and we've pumped off of it, and now we're kind of continuing our way up here in the short term, guys. So be sure to look out for this about 10-cent level, and after that, we have our next resistance all the way up at the 18 cents level. If we jump on into this new chart here, which is more of the long-term chart of Cardano, we have this resistance and line that we've had here. If we try to zoom in, this is the descending broadening wedge that we broke out of, and now we're coming back up and testing this resistance line like we just talked about in the last one, guys. We kind of confirmed this, double bottom here. As you can see, 1, 2 double bottoms here. This is exactly what played out in Bitcoin in the last Bitcoin cycle. If we jumped on over here, this is back in 2015 before we had the 2016, 2017 bull run for Bitcoin. We had a double bottom, and we ended up really pumping after that point. We jump over Cardano. What I could see happening now is after this double bottom, we break through here. We end up coming to test this next resistance line, which is the middle of this little pattern here. When we come back down, we kind of consolidate in here, and we end up taking off to the next resistance, which is about the 40 cents line. We jump on back over to the Bitcoin chart here. As you can see, the exact same thing pretty much played out. We came up here. We came up and tested the next resistance. We came back down, and we kind of drizzle in here. We had this like ascending triangle almost here, and then we ended up pumping out of it into the next resistance. That's what I see happening here. We kind of go up to that next resistance line. Once we break it, we kind of form this ascending triangle, and then we pump after this almost to the 40 cents mark. Very similar to what played out in Bitcoin in the 2016 and 2017 bull market. Let's hope 2016 and 2017 are exactly like the last or these next 2 years of 2020, 2021, and we kind of hope that it goes a little longer into 2022. That would also be a great thing for Cardano and the other cryptocurrencies. And I also just want to look at, I have a Chainlink chart up here. I'm gonna talk about Chainlink tomorrow, because Chainlink is ready to blast off, guys. Be looking out for the Chainlink video tomorrow. You guys are gonna love that video. But hopping back on over to the Cardano here. From here, where I think we are about in the 2016-2017 bull market for Bitcoin, we're about right here. I took that and kind of extrapolated onto the Cardano chart for the next 2 years, and this is what I kind of see playing out here for Cardano. As you can see, we came up, tested the next resistance, and then we fall down, ascending triangle like we talked about back in this video, kind of forms ascending triangle, and then we end up taking off to new all-time highs. So I kind of see here, kind of ascending triangle, and then we break out and we absolutely pump into the new bull market. And I think it'll go much higher than this, but this is basically a representation of how I see the next 2 years playing out for Cardano. Let me know what you guys think about Cardano in the comment section below. Tomorrow, like I said, we're going to talk about Chainlink. Chainlink has been absolutely going off. I have a huge position in Chainlink. It's just absolutely great. I hope you guys got in Chainlink after the last video I talked about Chainlink. It's a great investment right now, and I think it's one of the best cryptocurrencies you can be in. Along with Cardano, I also have a big investment in Cardano. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe if you love crypto videos. I come out with one about every other day, if not every day, usually about 5 videos per week. I need time to go outside. I can't stare at the charts all day. As you guys know, I say that after every video. Please go outside. Do not stare at the charts. It's going to make you go insane. It's going to make you an emotional trader if you are a trader, or even an emotional investor if you're an investor. So please get outside. Spend time outside. Watch the Pats if the NFL ever comes back on. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smack the subscribe button to get the notification of the Chainlink video that I will be releasing tomorrow that goes over the price targets for the next couple weeks to months to years for Chainlink. Get outside, guys. Have a good day. See you.